Well, I don't know King Lazarus, and this one is called State of Emergency. Selassie the first. We don't want no more bloodshed, no we not send dead. A message we are send to all the kill them. No more bloodshed, no we not send dead. A message we are send. It's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight and gunshot a beat. It's weeping and moaning and gnashing of teeth. It's bloodshed, warring on the streets. Eradicate poverty and crime would cease. Somebody tag Rowley. Election time when them coming on the streets. Full up the people with them hopes and dreams. Unfulfilled promises. Tired for hear the people ball. We don't want no more bloodshed, no we not send dead. A message we are sent to all the kill them. No more bloodshed, no we not send dead. A message we are sent. Listen.
Why oh boy, I know a lot of people not gonna agree with this video I'm doing, but I've just noticed certain things when it come on to verse Vibes Cartel, Labour Right government and PNP government, Labour Right gangsters and PNP gangsters and funeral home. Now, when you hear how much thing we talk about right here, so I just try to explain my opinion the way I see it. So with that said, let's go. You know, me and Nanny will sit down and we do a brainstorm. And when you look into it, lot of people says he was ex-police or ex-law enforcement. I don't see him as an ex-law enforcement, but what I do see him as in some of his thing, he could be a propaganda vehicle for the current Labour Right government. And I know by me making this statement right here, a lot of people gonna crucify me, but the proof is in the pudding. Number one, I have never heard Mercy attack any Labour Right gunman. He has never really attacked anybody from the JLP in terms of big time gangster. He don't even talk about Jim Brown them like that. And if he does, you understand, it's at a minimal. This is just my observation.
Why when you take the body them and I carry them go so far? And everybody like in a Spanish town?
Christopher Tufton, you have some explaining to do. Just look at this video and explain yourself.
Look at that picture. That's the Minister of Health. He set new regulations for Jamaica. And during the COVID time, I guess he decided to build a funeral home. Now, he not only set up a funeral home, you know, but what's going on is that all the people them who die in Kingston Public Hospital, and I want to say University of the West Indies too, I'm not too sure about Andrews, but everybody who die or pass away at those hospitals, they have to go to Christopher Tufton funeral home. Now, how does that look when the health minister and the prime minister set up a funeral home in the country with the highest murder rate on the planet? Explain that to me.
Why when you take the body them and I carry them go so far? And everybody like in a Spanish town?
Christopher Tufton, you have some explaining to do. Just look at this video and explain yourself.
No, Each verse, you understand. But me and Nanny sit down and we think. Now, me not say the pastor boy or funeral home boy from Bright Light is an angel. Cause we see him on drop it. Big bad man with him gun and them thing there. But from when you hear about Nick, me hear say a river tan dump him in. You understand? With Lizard, me hear say is a woman will involve. But when we sit down and we think about it, alright, when in the Cartel case, I know this might sound crazy, when Lizard dead, our Cartel got arrested. It wasn't like it was 2 weeks, 3 weeks after, you know. It was, I think, the same day. Cause remember the dog bite him and him went to the hospital. And him asked the witness one where run, where jump and run the fence. Where Cartel a run down and the dog bite Cartel for follow him at the hospital. And if I'm not lying, I think the police them go for him at the hospital. So when we look on the just look on the facts in terms of driving, moving our body, and them kind of thing, that it to me it's a possibility. Anything could have happened. The man them could have disposed of Lizard in a many different ways. Trying to match the timeline and trying to match certain things, it would be easier just to put him in a trunk and carry him go dump him somewhere than put him in a trunk, move him this, that, wait to contact the undertaker, line up the rear, all of that, boom, 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 and then bring him and cremate him. So I feel like there's a possibility when we really analyze the thing. You understand that Lizard can be other places. Now, me nah lick out pants Heath breast, but what I'm saying is these government officials have money, and for me to sit here and say them wouldn't pay Heath or even a man like me to put out certain kind of vlogs that would be in their interest, I would be doing a disjustice, because just as Christopher Tufton create a new funeral home, here comes the first vlog. We take down this man. Now, is it political? That's the question. Now, another question is, why when I see this person, and you guys can check it out too. Most of his videos, or I shouldn't say most, a lot of his videos is geared to the opposite side in terms of labor right and PNP. It seems like he mostly target the PNP and certain people in the PNP that fall underneath that genre. Why? I don't know. You see what I'm saying? But I notice a lot of that. Like me not like nobody. Me hate everybody the same. You understand? And I let people know I'm not perfect. understand, I am far from perfection. Many times I struggle with all sort of things, yo. Even one time we struggle cause me did want burn down the blood clot house where me live in through the pussy clot landlord. You hear me? And the only reason to save that landlord, dog, is because other people, the women with them kids live there. And 2 dykes. I never want, if I did me alone live, so would have burn it down. Straight up. So I struggle with my demons, but one thing me I do, certain things me not do. You understand? So, yeah. So, like I said, this video, it's not a shot. It's what me and other people kinda see. So I am wondering, is he first being paid by certain elements in Jamaica and Jamaican politics? What we have to know, we live in a disinformation era and alternative facts. And you know, you have state of the agents or agents of the states where will pay even 5 to 6 people to get to somebody like me and other vloggers with a platform to send out this information that can benefit them. Like, for example, look at this picture in front of you. You know, I didn't listen it, but you know, people tell me that it's talking about Illuminati being in Jamaica and large people them and just a whole bunch of sensationalization and you know, about the crisis in terms of missing kids and missing women, and you understand. So I don't know if there's an Illuminati or a lodge in Jamaica. What I did remember growing up is be careful. My mother used to say be careful of the black heart man. And the black heart man, then to me it was people I catch people for take them organs for transfer it to other people. And that's what I kinda got out of that. But maybe if this vlogger was talking about, say, sex trafficking, but not cremating kids for people, and pretty much that's what I heard, because I didn't listen to it, I just kinda get the feedback. But I'm not too sure if this guy have a business. Yeah, he might do it for a bad man, but are you gonna do it for kids? I guess for the Illuminati. I mean, what the hell is going on? You know what I'm saying? But I'm just giving my opinion. It's a little bit out there from what I heard, and I just can't endorse them kind of thing right now. The missing kid crisis in Jamaica, to me, it's domestic, meaning that it's usually somebody close in our family or somebody who know the pitney them, or even Donnelly them, meaning domestic violence. Get back the pitney, forget back the mother or whoever. So it's, to me, it's more on that note, not so much a big conspiracy with Illuminati and Lodge. Maybe I am wrong, I don't know. So Jamaica is a complex place and there's tons of money out there, believe it or not. The politician them powerful. See Tufton, him set up a funeral home, and then all of the dead body go to his funeral home. So I mean, we can do the maths, we can do our estimation. You know, you see how much people are dead at Jamaica and how much people dead in a public. So you can just do the estimation. He might make a ton of money. Him and Andrew. Because yesterday the two of them own the funeral home. So this video is just to open up people's minds and not to be so one track. So have a 3D mind and think about different possibilities and stuff like that. You understand? And that's what this video is about. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.